you are a chocolate lover, let's bake this chocolate almond tart with pears. The ingredients for two 21 cm tart shell are flour, powdered sugar, cold butter, almond powder and egg. Cut the butter into small cubes. In a bowl, mix everything together except egg. When the flour and butter are mixed well, it's time to add the egg. Wrap the dough in a plastic and put in the fridge minimum 1 hour. Dough is ready and we can give it a flat shape. Before using, never forget to grease it with butter. Remove the extra part of the dough with a sharp knife and put the tart into the fridge until your oven reaches 170 Celsius. Bake at 170 Celsius during 15-20 minutes or until your tart changes color to light brown. Meanwhile the tart shell is being baked, let's make a syrup and boil pears. For that we will need water, sugar and pears. Remove the boiled all pears from the syrup and let it dry on a paper towel. We need almond flour, eggs, dark chocolate and butter. Melt chocolate and butter together on a hot bath. Add almond flour to the hot chocolate. Decorate your tart with almond flakes and bake it 5 minutes more. It's really delicious.